The colors are vanishing! Join the adventure now! Can we save the feelings, Rainbow? We have to find the crystals! Hi, friends! Let's learn and explore! Wow! Welcome to Emotion Land! It's beautiful! Woof, woof! Oh no! The rainbow lost its colors! 6 emotion crystals have disappeared. We'll find them! This place feels happy. Everything is smiling. Happiness grows when we share joy. We found the happy crystal! Someone feels sad. Let's help! It's okay to feel sad. Friends can help. This volcano feels angry. When we're angry, we can calm down. Take a deep breath. The litter is the round. Lucas do. Being brave doesn't mean never feeling scared. It means facing your fears. Wow! What a surprise! We found the surprise crystal! Amazing! This is exciting! Woof woo! We found all 6 crystals! Hooray! The feelings rainbow is restored! We did it! We learned about feelings and how to understand them. Today we learned about emotions. Happy, sad, angry, scared. See you next adventure. Bye, friends!